The most popular freestanding towel warmer isn't always the best. That's just how it goes. Everyone assumes bestseller means best quality, but when you actually start comparing features, build, and real performance, the story changes fast. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones deliver.
Product number 1, Sameat Bucket Warmer. The Sameat Heated Towel Warmer, a freestanding bucket-style model, priced right around $80. What caught my eye is how it handles oversized towels, fitting up to two 40 by 70 inch ones, which most others can't. It heats quickly and has a simple timer with auto shutoff, so you're not guessing when it's done. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you love stepping out of the shower into a warm, dry towel, especially in colder months, this thing delivers that spa feeling at home. The Thermos bucket design ensures heat goes all the way through, no cold spots. With 2,000 plus sold recently and ETL safety certification, it's clearly popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy, and honestly, I get that. The exterior is 80% plastic, so it doesn't have that premium metal feel. But here's the thing, it's still sturdy enough for daily use, and the safety features like overheat protection and auto shutoff make up for the material choice. This is perfect for you if you want a large capacity warmer under $80 and don't mind a mostly plastic build. Skip this one if you're looking for something that looks high-end or will last 10 plus years. For the price and performance, it's solid value.
Product number 2, Fly-Hit Large Towel Warmer. If Sameat's plastic build gave you pause, meet the Fly-Hit, another bucket-style warmer at nearly the same price, $79.98, but with a slightly more refined design and wooden handle. It also fits two oversized towels and uses a 450-watt heating element that warms things up in about 25 minutes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The triple-layer temperature control and fire-resistant plastic give you peace of mind, especially if you're running it overnight or in a humid bathroom. The 20-liter capacity is great for families, and the matte white finish blends well with most decors. Over 1,000 sold recently shows people trust it. Now, some people complained about the lid getting warm during use. Not hot enough to burn, but noticeable. I'll be real with you, that's a fair point. The wood helps, but the area around the lid does get warm. Still, the auto shutoff kicks in before anything dangerous happens, and ETL certification backs that up. This is perfect for you if you want a slightly more polished look than the Sameat and don't mind minor heat around the lid. Skip this one if you have small kids who might touch it unsupervised. For everyday use, it's reliable and well priced.
Product number 3, Solly's 5-bar rack white. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for daily convenience. The Solly's 5-bar freestanding rack in matte white, priced at $149.99. This is a completely different style, open rack instead of enclosed bucket. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It heats up in just 10 minutes using a 250-watt system, way faster than bucket warmers. And you can adjust the temperature from 110 degrees Fahrenheit to 170 degrees Fahrenheit with a digital display. That means you can dial in exactly how warm you want your towels. Plus, 5 heated bars let you dry multiple towels at once, which is huge if you've got a busy household. Now, some people complained about the assembly. It takes about 15-20 minutes and requires a few screws. I'll be honest, it's not plug and play like the buckets. But once it's up, the space aluminum build is rust resistant and feels way more durable than plastic. It's built to last in humid bathrooms. This is perfect for you if you want fast heating, precise control, and a modern look. Skip this one if you hate assembling things or move apartments often. For long-term use, it's worth the extra setup.
Product number 4, Solly's 5-bar rack, black. If the white version looked good, but you want something that hides fingerprints and water spots better, the Solly's in matte black, same specs, same price at $149.88 is your answer. It's identical to the white one, 5-bar design, 10-minute heat up, digital controls, space aluminum build. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The black finish not only looks sleek, but also resists smudges, a big deal if you've got kids or guests using it daily. The adjustable temp and timer mean you can leave it on safely while you sleep, and the freestanding design lets you move it between bathroom and spa area. Now, some people complained about the price. Nearly $150 feels steep compared to $80 buckets. And yeah, it's an investment. But here's the thing, This isn't just a warmer, it's a towel dryer too. It prevents mildew by keeping towels dry, which saves you money on replacements over time. This is perfect for you if you want a premium, long-term solution and don't mind spending more upfront. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. For daily luxury, it's unmatched.
Product number 5, PureSonic 6-bar rack. The PureSonic TW300, a 6-bar electric rack at just $77.17, the most affordable rack style option here. It can be wall-mounted or freestanding, which gives you flexibility most others don't. It reaches 122 degrees Fahrenheit in about 30 minutes, slower than Solis, but still effective. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want the open rack convenience without the $150 price tag, best bet. It gently dries towels, prevents mildew, and uses minimal electricity, about like a light bulb. The chrome-plated finish looks clean, and at under 6 pounds, it's easy to move around. Now, some people complained about the heating time. 30 minutes is noticeably slower than the 10-minute Solis models, and honestly, that's the trade-off. It's not as powerful, so don't expect spa-level warmth instantly, but for basic drying and light warming, it does the job. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly rack that doubles as a dryer. Skip this one if you need fast, intense heat. For small bathrooms or occasional use, it's a smart pick.
So which one wins? If you want big capacity and low cost, go Samit or Flyhit. Need speed and control? Solis 5-bar rocks, white or block, are top tier. On a budget but want a rack? PureSonic delivers. Each has trade-offs, but all solve the real problem: cold, damp towels. Pick based on your space, style, and how much warmth you actually need.